Hi there, and welcome to Mindfulness Meditations. Let's just go ahead and get comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a nice deep breath in. And just relax. Take some nice, slow, deep breaths. And find yourself in your body. Find yourself in the here and now. Feeling grounded, feeling centered, and feeling heart coherence. Drop into your heart as if it's just a little you sitting in the middle of your heart, sitting exactly like you're sitting, but you're sitting in the center of your heart chamber. Just notice the heart around you. What does that feel like to be in the middle of your beautiful heart? Is there a softness feeling the walls of your heart? Do you feel a warmth? Maybe you can hear your own heart beating. Tune in to the rhythm of your heart. And as you sit comfortably, finding stillness, peace, serenity, and comfort in this beautiful beating heart, notice how your mind starts to become more present and still. Any sounds around you just become part of the meditation. Just here to remind you that you're in the present moment. Just continuing to breathe, paying attention to your breath as it goes in and out of your nostrils. And today we're going to focus on sending peace, harmony, and love from our hearts to the hearts of humanity. So it's important to find yourself as peaceful as you can. Let go of anything from the past today or that you have to do later. All that matters is this now moment, and that you're here, and that you've put this time aside to sit in stillness and in peace. Now imagine as you take a deep breath in that light is funneling down the top of your head and into your heart. So breathe in light. And then as you breathe out, breathe that light out through the bottom of your core. So you're creating this light tube, and your heart is the center. Breathe in light from the top, and breathe out light down through your core, down out your root, into the center of the earth. Sending love into the center of the earth, from your heart to the heart of the earth, to the Mother Gaia's heart. And as she receives this love, she's able to send that love like channels of light out to all the beings on the planet. So see that light as you breathe out, going into the earth, and she collects it, your love light, your so much love that you're giving. She collects that and then sends it out to all of her children, including the animals, the children, the adults, any being, the plants, all sentient beings on the planet. Breathe in light through the crown of your head. Swirl it in your heart for a second as you hold your breath in. Just swirl it around and then shoot it out with your out breath down through your core into the center of the earth. Now I want you to imagine the center of the earth lighting up with a pink gold light. And that center light starts spinning a little bit, just gently and softly, not in any kind of quick way. Just the kind of softness that you would want from someone who was caring for you. Slow and steady spin. A pink gold light radiating out from the center of the earth. And as it goes up through the layers of the earth and reaches the surface, it turns into a lavender or violet light, and it starts surrounding the planet in a web of violet light. The violet light of purification, the violet light of transmutation, never ever making anything wrong, but just transmuting it from fear to love. And just keep seeing that light coming out from the core and bubbling up to the surface, and then just coating the entire planet with this lavender violet light, and then up through the feet of all the beings walking the planet, sitting on the planet, driving on the planet. Doesn't matter if your feet are on the actual earth. As long as you're on the earth and held here by gravity, you're receiving this violet love from the planet. And now I want you to imagine, as that violet love continues to enter you and all the beings and surround you, that there's a force field around the planet up in the about 200 feet above the planet. And this force field is also a violet light. So you're encapsulated from the bottom, from the core of the earth to the sky in a violet light. And this particular violet light is coming from all of the angels, the archangels, the ascended masters, your guides, all beings of a higher light that are here to help, serve, and protect humanity. It's everyone's angels. It's everyone's guides. It's all the archangels and all the ascended masters. We're calling you in to bring peace to planet Earth, to bring peace to humanity, to bring love and peace to the hearts of men who are warring because they're in fear, and sending some love to those hearts. The quickest way to cancel out fear and pain and suffering is to send love to all the people who are suffering, including the people who are the perpetrators. Those are the most important people to send love to. It's like a bully. They are the ones that need the most love. The bully's usually been hurt in some way or is in fear of some kind. So we're going to take a moment to send love to the hearts of all humanity that is in fear and doing something that's hurting other people. First, send them love. We're going to go tier down. So first we send love and forgiveness to those people. Imagine them feeling this love coming into their heart. And it might be a foreign energy, so they're not really sure. But as we continue to beam love to them, it's going to make a difference, especially when we're doing it in numbers. It's going to make a difference. And imagine them surrounded by the transmuting violet flame, surrounded by their angel guidance that's whispering to them messages of peace and love, holding space for them to find that peace within them. There's a good peace in every human. Every human has good in their heart. Sometimes it gets washed out by hatred and fear. However, if we can spark up that 1% that still has some love, we feed that spark. Imagine that one spark within them, that spark of goodness getting fed with our love, with the transmuting violet flame. Just let that energy flood into them and soften them everywhere on the planet. Russia, Ukraine, Middle East, United States, Canada, Australia, all of Europe, Africa, Asia, on and on and on, New Zealand, Indonesia. And now let's take that love spark and send it to the hearts of all the people that are suffering. All the innocents. To all the innocent people who don't know why they're suffering right now and are in fear, send them love. And ask for their guides and angels, if it's in their highest good, to surround them and hug them so that they can feel this love. They might not know what it is, but they suddenly feel extra love flooding into their beings, into their hearts, into their minds. Transmuting violet flames surrounding them, if it's for their highest good and the highest good of all humanity. See everyone surrounded by their own individual violet flame, protecting, transmuting, purifying. Purify, purify, purify their hearts. Purify, purify, purify their minds. Purify, purify, purify their bodies. May all beings be well. May all beings be safe. May all beings be free from suffering. Say it in your mind's eye. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be free from suffering. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be free from suffering. And now let's say it for all of us. May we be well. May we be safe. May we be free from suffering. May we be well. May we be safe. May we be free from suffering. May we be well. May we be safe. May we be free from suffering. And may we be blessed with the light of the divine penetrating through our crown chakra, lighting up our third eye, lighting up our throat, into our heart chamber, expanding the light, lighting up our solar plexus, our sacral chakra, and our root chakra. Now let's just take a moment to sit in stillness while we feel this light surrounding the planet and lighting up all of our chakras and magnetizing us all to the earth, not just for the meditators, but for all. Sending those waves out from your heart. Imagining the world you want to live in. Imagining the world living in peace and harmony. No borders, no boundaries. Freedom prevails. Heart love prevails. And we rise up to our destiny and our birthright of pure joy, of getting to experience the sun shining on our faces, the earth supporting us, drinking pure water, feeling safe in our shelters, receiving healthy, pure nourishment, drinking pure, clean water, bodies free from any illness or viruses, our birthright of health, our birthright of freedom, and our birthright of peace. And as you're relaxing, feeling sense of peace and calm, breathe in through your nose, breathe in peace, and breathe out fear. Breathe in peace, and breathe out mistrust. Breathe in peace, and breathe out hatred. Let that hatred energy just dissipate into the environment. Let it go. Let it transmute by the violet flame into love, into safety, and one more time into peace. Let's do 3 ohms to end our peace meditation. Breathe in. Bring your hands to your heart, to your third eye, to your crown. Thank you, angels. Thank you, guides. Thank you, ascended masters and archangels. Thank you, all beings who are here to surround us with peace and love and serenity. Have a wonderful, beautiful day.